If you are a business owner, entrepreneur, or service provider, you probably have had terms like the ideal client or the avatar, or some call it the marketing persona. You might have even gone online and found like a template that you can fill out to identify your ideal client. The big question is though, once you've identified who your ideal client is, what do you actually do with that information? Why is it that marketers encourage businesses to identify their ideal client? If you have ever felt like you're trying to appeal to everyone, but kind of connecting with no one, or if you struggle to know who exactly you're marketing to, then this workshop is perfect for you. As a business owner, you want to connect with the right clients, with the people that need and want your products or services. So I have developed a workshop as a solution where we identify your ideal client, and I will teach you how to attract and retain that ideal client. This workshop addresses 3 key challenges that most business owners face. 1. Knowing who your ideal client actually is. I will help you build a clear ideal client profile using my step-by-step template and questions to uncover your audience's pain points, goals, and preferences. 2. Learning to think like your client. We will go beyond demographics and show you how to get inside your client's head so you can understand what keeps them up at night and what solutions they are actively searching for. And 3, creating content that resonates with your ideal client. You will learn how to use the client profile to shape your content, from social media posts to ads, in a way that speaks directly to your client's needs. Plus, we will introduce you to tools for keyword research and AI-driven insights to reach your audiences effectively. The workshop is interactive and hands-on, and I've structured it into easy steps. First, I will guide you through to create your ideal client profile. Think of it a bit like a roadmap to understanding who you actually want to reach as a business. Then we will discuss some real life examples of client pain points, and I want you to get into that marketing thinking of what your clients are looking for. And finally, I will teach you how you utilize all of this information in your content marketing. I can show you a little bit of how to use AI, for example, but it is really there to connect what people put in a search bar to you being found because you are the solution to their problem. You will also get access to powerful tools like a marketing keyword generator, a digital marketing keyword planner, and templates to help you stay organized. And don't worry, we will walk through every single step. So just to summarize, what is it you're going to be taking away from this workshop? First, a clear ideal client profile for your business, complete with pain points, keywords, and a profile template that you can refer back to. Second, a practical keyword strategy to make sure that your marketing reaches the right people. Third, hopefully you will take away some marketing mindset, meaning I want to show you how you put yourself into your ideal client shoes so you start thinking like them and you can offer the solution to their problems or their needs. And lastly, fourth, some tools and templates for you to guide you along after the workshop is over so you can continue refining your ideal client profile or create several as your business grows. So if you're ready to identify your ideal client and really streamline your marketing by targeting those clients that you want to work with and sell to, then this workshop is absolutely for you.